Hello, dear modelers and classmates. I would like to share with you a short summary of what we have been learned for the last 2 months. And here I want to fill in this form for the feedback. And after that, I have to share with you. I will post a link here so that we can share my feedback. Let me click here on this link. Okay. I have filled in once, and I want to edit this, but I will not change too much. Only I want to show you that once, for example, you accept the conditions here, it's like a questionnaire. And here I filled in with my email address, and here this is my name. This is the first question, and the question was, did you give the live online classes in Teams? Yes, and it is all the time. And here this is the second question. I want to rank the following platforms, with 1 being the best and 8 being the worst, and I have to choose to rank the easiest, or how easy it was for each of the video conferencing tool. And here you can see that Zoom was the second one. Google Meet was the first one to be very easy to use for me, and the Go branch, it was the last one here, because you remember that one day, I don't know if it is a staff from the Go branch entered the room without any permission. Here for the student engagement, I want to rank again from the best to the worst for me, and the best again. This is the Google Meet, which is very easy, and the last one, the worst, was the Go branch here. And the overall ranking, Zoom, Zoom, because nowadays Zoom is the most used the conferencing tool. And even if you can have some, what we call the Zoom bombing, but it's the overall first ranked. And here, for the easiest to use again among these tools is the Jitsi. And here, for example, this one I didn't try much, but because it is payable, and I ranked it as the last one. So here, for the engaging tool for our student, again, Jitsi is the first one, and even if this one is good, but it's sometimes it's not very easy to access, and it's like this. So I have to respond to this question: which platform or which platforms do you intend to use after the course? Except this one, all of them, I will use them. Yeah, I will use them. You see that there are so many, and I have to change now to engage my student. And in order to comment what we have learned again, I thank again the facilitator, Dr. Neri. Thank you very much.